In this video, I'll show you how to use the word get with better and worse. The word better is the comparative form for good, and worse is the comparative form for bad. Use get better when there's an improvement. Use get worse when there's an increase in a problem. Her life is getting better. This is in the present continuous tense. And here's the word better. You could change it to the opposite and use the word worse. If her life is getting better, there's an improvement. If her life is getting worse, then there are some problems. Our cat is getting better. She was sick, but now her health is improving. She's getting better. The situation in, and then put the name of a country here. So it could be Sudan. The situation in Sudan is getting worse. Or if it's Ukraine, the situation in Ukraine is getting worse. And of course the opposite would be better. Miriam's job is getting better. This is often used for employment. A person has a bad experience at work or doesn't like his or her job, but then things improve, and you'll often hear someone say this: the job is getting better. You can say this when someone you know is sick: I hope you get better, or I hope you get better soon. People who play musical instruments are said to get better. Tom is getting better on the piano. This is in the present continuous tense. You could also say that he's getting worse. But usually if a person practices a lot, then he or she gets better. You can use this also for your English. My English is getting better. You can say this if it's true, but if it's the opposite, then you would just change better to worse. The weather is getting better. Warmer, sunnier. And of course the opposite, with rain or snow or cold, then use worse. The weather is getting worse. Here's get better in various verb tenses. This is the present tense. It gets better. This is for improvement over time. It's getting better. This is the present continuous tense. This is fairly common when talking about improvement. It got better is in the past tense. There was improvement. This is a prediction. It will get better later in the future. Here's the present perfect tense. It has gotten better. That shows over time there has been improvement. And this is similar in the present perfect continuous tense. It has been getting better. And of course the opposite would just be worse. Get better is also used with modal verbs. It could get better. Could get. It should get better. It might get better. And then have to, which is similar to must. It has to get better.